Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Crimson Desert game crashing, crashes startup, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam. So click on this arrow icon in the system tray and then right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. This will close the Steam and then you can go ahead, launch the Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then you can also run the Steam as an admin. So in Windows search, type Steam and then open the Steam app as an administrator. So hit on run as administrator and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Crimson Desert game. I don't have Crimson Desert game, so I am showing the steps with another game. So you have to right click on Crimson Desert game and then select properties and then go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run this exe file. So run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option. So check mark this custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box. So check mark this perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can go ahead, launch the Crimson Desert game and check. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So go to the game installation folder, open C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert folder. Then open the bin64 folder and here you will find the Crimson Desert exe file. First double click it and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply, OK. And then go ahead, launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also tick mark run this program in compatibility mode for, and from drop down here select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK. And then go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And if it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well. Then hit on apply, OK. And then launch the game from the game installation folder and then check. Now, if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just untick these 3 boxes. Then hit on apply, OK. And then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app to control folder access. Click yes to allow. And then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert, and then open bin64 folder. And then select Crimson Desert exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Then click on firewall and network protection. Then click on allow an app through firewall. Then click on change settings. Then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now again browse to the game installation folder, the same path, that is C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Crimson Desert, Bin64, and then select the Crimson Desert exe file and then click on open and then click on add, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. For example, if this is a Crimson Desert exe file, I'm showing the example with another game. So tick mark both private and public and then hit on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can also disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. The game installation folder is C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, Common, Crimson Desert, and then open the Bin64 folder and then look for the Crimson Desert exe file. So here select the Crimson Desert exe file and then click on add. And after adding it, expand it, and then next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to disconnect internet. So just disconnect the internet and then go ahead, launch the game. And when game is loading or launching, then immediately connect to internet and then check. If you are using Ethernet cable, then unplug Ethernet cable and then launch the game, and when game is loading or launching, then connect your Ethernet cable and then check. Fix 8 is to lower down a refresh rate. So if your PC has high refresh rate such as 240 Hz or 360 Hz, then lower down the refresh rate to 120 Hz or 60 Hz. Set display refresh rate to 60 Hz. So here how to set display refresh rate to 60 Hz. Open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on display and then scroll down. Under related settings, click on advanced display and here you can choose a refresh rate. So set it to 60 Hz and then check. If that doesn't work, then you can also select 120 Hz and then check. Fix 9 is to try these in-game settings if you are able to launch the game. So if you are able to launch the game, then you can try these settings in the in-game settings. And please take a note, every time when you change the settings, hit apply to save changes and then check. So launch the Crimson Desert game and then press the escape button on your keyboard and then click on settings, and under the video settings, set upscale resolution from DLAA to quality and then hit on apply and save changes and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then disable HDR in the video settings. Also turn off reconstruction, turn off ray tracing. If you are using AMD FSR in upscale mode, then set upscale resolution to native AA, turn off frame generation, turn off upscale mode and lower down graphic settings and then check. Fix 10 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -D3 D11 or -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Crimson Desert game. This is just an example, and then click on properties, and in the launch options, first type -D3 D11 and then close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the game properties and this time type -DX12 and then close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the Crimson Desert properties and then delete the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Crimson Desert game This is again just an example I'm showing with another game, but you have to right click on Crimson Desert game and then select properties, and then in the general tab you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just disable it, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then launch the Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel, and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 13 is to delete the Crimson Desert saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and saved setting, and you have to start all from the scratch. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, then open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view, show, and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder, then open the local folder, and under the local folder you will find this Pearl Abyss folder. First right click on it and then copy the folder, and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup. After keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. Now if you have any kind of overclocking software, then do not overclock it, just set it to default, and then you can launch the game and check. Disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to disable integrated graphic card. To do so, in Windows search type Device Manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters. In my case, the integrated graphic card is Intel R UHD graphics. So you have to disable the integrated graphic card driver. So just right click on it and then click on disable device and then click on yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, you can go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back here and then just enable your integrated graphic card. You will see enable device option over here. Fix 7 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Crimson Desert game from your PC. Then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Crimson Desert game crashing, crashes startup, or crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.